Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to create some beautiful curls using socks. This is a wonderful protective style because it does not contain heat. Now, here I am showing you guys how many socks I will be using, but it's really up to you and it's very optional how many socks you want to use. I say no less than 2 socks, okay? Me, I'm gonna be applying 8 socks today. Well, I'm gonna say 5 to 6 socks today because I want my curls kind of tight. So we will also be using a product that does not contain lots of water. It have to be a type of styling cream. We're gonna be starting this style out off on freshly washed, blow-dried hair, okay? You're gonna be needing some clips because you're gonna be sectioning off your hair, and you're gonna also need to make sure that you part your hair in sections, you guys. This is a very easy and simple style. Like I say, it's a protective style. It will last you at least 5 days or more with the proper care. Okay, let's get into the video. With this part right here, you guys, it is very important that you do not make a mistake and use the wrong end of the sock. You must put the toe portion of the sock at the top of your hair, using your clip to hold it down so that the sock does not move when you are twisting your sock and your hair together, because it's the bottom part of the sock that will hold this knot in place. Okay, pay attention closely to what I'm doing, how I take the end of the sock and just flip it over to secure it. Just pause for a minute, you guys, and take a look at these curls. They are so tight, they are so silky, they shiny, they are soft and fluffy, you guys. I am in love with this technique. Not only have I not used heat, but I didn't apply much tension because I had thought that these socks was going to be kind of uncomfortable sleeping in them, but they was not. I slept very well last night and it was not uncomfortable at all. Now, here in this segment, you guys, I want y'all to take y'all time when y'all are unraveling your socks because these socks are cotton. And you know what people say, cotton always dries the hair out. But if your hair is highly moisturized like mine is, then you would not have a problem using this material to roll your hair with. Just take your time and unravel each curl little bit by little bit because you don't want to create too much frizz too fast. You want the hair to swell over time because, mind you, the hair is only blow dried. No heat was applied to this, so it will puff up sooner than if it was pressed. Okay, so you do not want to take and pull all your curls out and create too much frizz too fast, like I said, because the hair will swell sooner than normal because it is not pressed. It is only blow dry, but it is beautiful. I love the results. I love the way that it came out, and you can always like re-roll your hair at nighttime if you feel that it created too much frizz. All you would have to do is just apply some more product and use the same technique of what you saw me using the socks, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video because I am so in love with this hairstyle. Like I said, it is so full, it is so fluffy, and look how tight these curls are. They are absolutely amazing. Okay, you guys, I am out of here. I'm gonna let you guys go and enjoy what I am doing right now. So I see you on the next video. Bye bye.